Yo, what's up guys? So, I bought a car guys, yeah. Okay guys, before this video starts, I first off want to apologize for not getting this video up sooner. It's just because I bought the car up in Vegas. This is the last thing that I vlogged about. I bought the car up in Vegas, and then I drove it down to California. All on the same, well, the next day I drove it down to California, and then that night I ended up going to work, and then I ended up getting injured at work. So yeah, I ended up dropping a big heavy box on my foot, and then I couldn't ride the bike for like 2 weeks, and yeah, everything was just a pain in the butt, and I couldn't film the montage for it or do anything, and I didn't want to vlog anything until I get that done. So I finally filmed the montage, and let's just see it right now. Here. Okay guys, so that's my Nissan Murano. Very nice, very nice. I already showed you guys the walk around and everything, but dude, I really love it. This past few weeks I've been driving to work. I already got 2,000 miles on it, and yeah dude. So yeah guys, this is really just an update video on the Murano. Tomorrow I will have vlogs out for you, and I'll be able to pick up the cameras again now, since now my injury is all healed now. Well, it's not completely healed. I mean, it's still healing, but it wasn't as bad as it was a few weeks ago, where I was just limping around, and dude, it was just bad, you know. I shouldn't have been working with my injury. I continued to work even though I shouldn't have. I wasn't riding the bike. Good thing I did buy the car, so I was able to drive the car around. I really do want to go on a road trip, since I'm finally able to ride the bike now and take this out and everything. So I really want to ride the bike, and then I've been driving around the car to work lately, and so I just, you know, I really enjoy the bike. You know, I miss my Yuna. I really love you, Yuna. Valentine's Day is coming out, so I'm gonna be doing something super cool for that as well with Yuna. One thing about me guys is that I would take the bike over the girl anytime, just saying. So on my Instagram last year I did something really special for my other bike, Destiny, the CBR 300, but this bike I have Yuna, so new relationship guys. I gotta do something special with this bike. I was thinking about decorating her, I'm not sure yet. For New Year's I actually decorated the CBR I don't know if I'm going to drag ride this bike. I'm not sure yet. I'll probably do something with this bike, but we'll see. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for you. I gotta end this vlog. Gotta do other things today. I gotta head to the bank, and I got work tonight. So yeah, peace out, guys.